The RT2 wireless whole house fan control is a smart control that uses temperature or a built-in timer to control whole house fans. There are two kits available. The RT2 includes a control board for 1 or 2 speed PSC or ECM motors, and the RT2E includes a control board for 1, 2, 3, or variable speed ECM motors. The wireless transceiver in the wireless control and the radio module are FCC certified and have a long history of reliability. This is the wireless RT2 kit for whole house fans using 1 or 2 speed PSC or ECM motors. The kit includes detailed installer and homeowner manuals for the wireless control and the fan control. This is the FC2J fan control that will be wired and installed in the whole house fan electrical box. Next is the RM2 radio module that will be connected to the fan control using a plug-and-play cable. Here we have the plug-and-play cable that connects the radio module to the fan control. And finally, the RT2 wireless whole house fan control that is set on a bedside table or used anywhere in the home. The whole house fan can be powered using the Romex power wiring in a home or a power cord. If a power cord is used, the fan control wiring can be done before sending the fan out for installation. We are using a power cord and a cable clamp. Install the cable clamp and power cord through the end of the electrical box where the ground lug is. There are 4 wires from a 2-speed PSC whole house fan. The white wire is the neutral, black is high speed, and red is low speed. There will be a green ground wire. In this fan, it is already connected to the ground lug. There are 3 wires from the power cord. Black is 120 VAC, white is neutral, and green is ground. The fan control has 5 wires. Black is 120 VAC, white is neutral, green is ground, purple is the high-speed control, and red is the low-speed control. Always check the whole house fan manual for the correct wire colors. Hold the fan control with the transformer at the opposite end from the power cord. Connect the 3 white neutral wires together using a wire nut. Now connect the 2 or 3 green ground wires together. The fan control ground wire is connected to the cover plate. Next, connect the 2 black 120 VAC wires together. Now let's connect the purple wire on the fan control to the black high-speed wire on the whole house fan. And finally, connect the red wire on the fan control to the red low-speed wire on the whole house fan. Once this is done, wiring is now complete. Slide the power cord out as far as possible, then tighten the cable clamp screws. Press the wires and wire nuts toward the power cord end and install the fan control in the electrical box. Secure the cover plate with the screws provided. The control board is now ready to be connected to the radio module. The wireless control and the radio module are shipped with matching IDs, so multiple whole house fans can be used in the same home or in neighboring installations without causing interference. A wireless control will only communicate with a radio module having the same ID. To see the ID label on the wireless control, remove the foot. Make sure the wireless control and radio module have the same ID numbers. Now that you have verified the ID numbers are the same, use the cable provided and insert one connector into the radio module and the other into the fan control. Next, we'll set installer options. Install 2 AA batteries in the wireless control, making sure they are inserted correctly. You may see NC displayed intermittently. This simply indicates that the wireless control hasn't connected with the radio module. We'll connect the control to the module after setting options. There are two installer options, fan type and fan speed, that need to be set only if your installation is different than the default settings of a PSC 2-speed fan. Let's take a look at those options. Press and hold the menu key for about 7 seconds to display installer option 01. This option sets the fan type and defaults to PS for PSC fans, or use the up key to select EC for ECM fans. I'll select a PSC fan. Press Next to display option 02 to set the number of speeds. The default is 2 speeds. Use the down key to select 1 or the up key to select 2. Press the Enter key. If I had selected ECM in the previous option, I would have selected either 1, 2, 3, or VA for variable speed. VA is not common and only used on ECM whole house fans with PWM speed control. The third installer option is a tool for installers and is used when a low-speed startup is not adequate to fully open the damper. When the option is set to on, the whole house fan will start up in high speed and after about 10 seconds will return to the low-speed setting. Press and hold the menu key until option 01 is displayed. Press Next until option 03 is displayed. Use the up key to turn the option on and enable high-speed start to help open dampers, or leave the option defaulted to off. Press Enter. So far, we've wired the control board to the whole house fan, connected the control board to the radio module, and set the installer options. At this point, the whole house fan and controls are ready to go into the field. Since we are using a power cord to power the whole house fan, we can test the wiring before sending it out. Make sure the whole house fan is secure. Plug the whole house fan into 120 VAC. The radio module will blink yellow, indicating it is ready to link with the wireless control. To link the radio module and wireless control, we'll send a command by changing the fan speed. When the command is received by the radio module, the LED turns green to indicate it is linked to the wireless control. Test the wiring by turning econo-cooling on, then lower the set to temperature below the indoor temperature. On will blink, and the fan will become active in just a moment. Verify that high speed is operating. Now change the fan speed using the control and verify that low speed is operating. It'll switch over to low in just a moment. Once everything checks out, you have a system that is tested and ready for installation. Not only is the RT2 wireless whole house fan control easy and quick to install because it eliminates installing the timer and speed switch and the line voltage wiring, it's also a smart control that improves comfort and energy efficiency for your homeowners.